custom requirements, arrange the fumigation, shipping, freight, insurance, logistics, track the shipment, arrange the Chinese custom payment, transportation, inspect your goods before shipment, keep you informed, organize Australian custom clearance, organize like local delivery, deliver to your site, from the Chinese factory to your site. 所以呢，我们会安排中国的所有的出关、清关流程，海运，然后包括这个熏蒸，运输，然后保险，然后呢，包括中国的通关、付款、运输，然后包括帮你们的这个检验的货品然后最后呢，就是让你整个的流程呢保持得非常的清楚，然后到澳洲这边再清关、通关、运货，一直运送到你的工地。 全流程的保姆级的服务。So that's basically the introduction from me. Now I would like to invite VJ. Where is VJ? Yes, VJ is a client of ours, and he is actually a developer. He runs a healthcare business that employs 35 full-time staff and a contractor. And he based in Melbourne. He went the China buying trip March with us. Okay, so I let VJ to share. 简单的说一下 ，VJ 呢是我们的一个客户，他呢是一个开发商现在呢是开发了4连排，他给大家来分享一下他的这个经历。Just 1 second, I will 1 second. Yeah.
Actually, I'll go without the mic, I think. But let me see.
Yeah. Sorry.
Change it to the PDF. Yeah, that's great.
我需要一下帮助 Steve， 这个怎么给它投上去啊？它这个不在 PPT 上，这个怎么可以？不是这个，不是这是一个 PDF， 刚上的时候。
It's like we just scrolled. So how do I change? It's on the other screen, I think. Yeah, you got 2 screens. Yep. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Which one?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't go back?
Oh, go back?
Yeah, if you could go back. Yep, thank you.